Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got to make a correction. My last video about Preacherman, I was looking up Gene Scott instead of Brother Stair. Brother Stair is the Preacherman that is right now presently in jail, and he is actually both of them, Brother Stair and Gene Scott, I both used to determine if the band conditions are good. And so we're going to try the real Preacherman, what I call the Preacherman, which is Brother Stair. So we got Brother Stair here on the first frequency, 3.185, and nobody's there. So let's try the next one. We'll go to next year on our search. And that's still, no, that's 3215. So let's see. Do I see anything here? No, there's nothing there. Take the mute off. Nothing. Okay, let's go to the next one. We're still stuck on that one. Okay, let's try that one. Ooh, there might be a little bit of problem. Nope. We do have something right here. It might be data. Yeah, it's data. So we are getting something, but not Brother Stair. Let's go to the next one. And TuneNet. And nobody home. Next one. Not doing too good. Perhaps my antenna is dead. There's a strong signal there, that's for sure. Oh my gosh. Look at that monster. Let's see. Whoops, let's stop that music. And let's tune down a little bit. And we'll try to do a filter by that frequency. And that's probably that and Venice World Radio or this one down here, one of those guys. So I am receiving something. I don't know where that's coming from, or where the location is, but gosh, it's strong. Ooh. Let's turn that off and look for the next Brother Stair. Don't think we're going to have much luck. Nope. Try the next one. No, that's the same frequency. Nope, I skipped one, but let's go back to it. Okay, 5.9. And nothing there. Boy. So I'm not sure what the situation is, but we didn't get Gene Scott and we didn't get Brother Stair. So I don't know what's up. All intensity oh my gosh, I am so frustrated that I screwed up that last video. For all intensive purposes, Brother Stair is in jail. So unless they're showing or broadcasting replays, you're not going to hear him anymore, or at least for a while. Anyway, thanks for the gentleman who corrected me, and it's getting old. It's not for sissies, that's for sure. Lots of things start failing. Bye-bye.